ready to get serious? Yeah. Good Groundhog Day morning to you. Happy Groundhog Day. We are about to wake Panksatoni Phil up so that he can give us his annual prediction. But before we do that, I want to introduce the people on stage here with us now. These people are in charge of hosting the ceremony this Groundhog Day and perpetuating the lore and legend of Panksatoni Phil. This is the Panksatoni Groundhog Club, rain-making, downpouring, day-breaking, shingle-shaking inner circle! We have current and past members, and I would like to acknowledge our former members first. First, starting with, where's Rusty? I want to start with Rusty Johnson, former vice president, inner circle member for 49 years, 95-year-old Dr. Rusty Johnson, chief health man. I did the math, and Chief Health Man has trekked down and back over his years 5.5 miles. Other past members, please welcome Cold Front, Butch Prushnock, Tom Uberti, Big Windmaker, former handler, former president. You know him, Mr. Bill Dealey, Digger Odell. This morning's counterpart of mine, Dr. Dave Gelati, Thunder Conductor. Butch Philibert, Iceman. One of our newest members, you remember him from the Groundhog Chant. Please say hello to Rob McCoy, Downpour.
Downpour.
Jory Sirian, Daybreaker. Dr. John Johnson and Chief Health Man 2.0. Jason Grusky, Big Chill. Jeff Broom, Sky Painter. One of our newest members, please say hello. This was his first trek with a crowd. Mr. Pat Cassidy, Head Huntsman. Pat Osakowicz, Ozo. They call me Moonshine, and I want to now introduce you to the gentlemen that are in charge of our ceremony. Our friend, your friend, his handler, AJ DeRoom, Rainmaker. Vice President of the club and the man tasked with reading today's scrolls, please say hello to Tom Dunkel, Shingle Shaker. And the president of the Groundhog Club, and the only man who can speak groundhogese, has passed down from president to president through his acacia cane. Please welcome Fairweather Man Jeff Lundy, president of the Groundhog Club. Gentlemen, our ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world, welcome to Panksatoni, Pennsylvania. When I got up this morning, my comment was going to be, this is the largest increase in 1 year we've ever had. But when I got here and I looked out, I'm going to tell you, this is the largest midweek crowd in the history of Groundhog Day. And to steal a line from Woodstock, you people have proven something to the world. that 10,000 or more people can get together at 3 o'clock in the morning and have fun and music and nothing but fun and music, and we God bless you for it. My job here is really minor. The center of attention is Phil and the handler. We're going to get to that really here very shortly. I have in my hand a cane that's been passed down to me for more than 100 years that Phil himself whittled with his teeth. With this cane, I hold it in my hand and I can speak groundhogese, which is wiggles and nose movements, and we'll try to figure out whether I'm correct in interpreting it, because as we all know, Phil is always right. There are people here from around the world: London, Switzerland, Germany, Russia. Every country in the world is almost represented, and every state in the United States of America is here. I can guarantee you that. So what I want to do is I want you to give a toast to the world, because you're on TV right now and around the world streaming, and our toast is going to be this. We, repeat after me, we love Phil.
We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil.
And the rest of the toast is this. May we all live long.
May all live long.
Like Phil.
Like Phil.
All right, let's get him out. One more. Give me the chant, Phil. We have with us two scrolls that have been prepared. One is spring and one is winter. Are you ready to find out?
Yes. Early spring.
You look beautiful today. Billy, help me out. Put your hand on the cane with me. We got a prediction. Are you ready?
Ready? Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Today, 2/2/22. Welcome to Panksatoni to celebrate Groundhog Day, the 136th annual trek of the Panksatoni Groundhog Club. Panksatoni Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was gently lifted from his burrow at 7:25 a.m., held high to see. His faithful followers had returned with glee. Placing Phil on top of the stump, where in groundhogese, he directed the president, Jeff Lundy, and the inner circle to his prediction scroll that reads, "Winter has been bleak, dark, and bereft of hope. Yet winter is just another step in in the cycle of life. As I look over the faces of the true believers from around the world, I lost my space. I bask in the warmth of your hearts. I couldn't imagine a better fate. With my shadow I have cast than a long, lustrous 6 more weeks of winter.
Six more weeks!
6 more weeks! 6 more weeks! 6 more weeks!
Well, there you have it. The prediction has been made. Enjoy your 6 more weeks of glorious winter weather. Thank you all for coming. If you really must go, be careful and get on your buses properly, but we do invite you to stick around. If you would like to come up on stage, take a picture with Phil. If not, mingle amongst our park at Gobbler's Knob. Free coffee, bonfire, souvenirs.
For those of you who want to stay, we stay as long as necessary to get your picture taken with Phil. We have to do it a little organized. We start on this side, over here on the steps. The gentleman from the inner circle will take your camera, as you know, iPhones now, and we'll take your picture. We ask you to move, quickly across. We'll stay as long as necessary. We also have free coffee up there near the fire pit while you're waiting for the buses. And when you come in this way, come up the steps, and then we'll exit that way. Do not come up that way. We've got to stay organized. We once again want to thank you all. Did everybody have a good time? Yeah! How many are coming back to Panksatoni? Yeah! We welcome you. We're open all year round. Come and visit us. Come and see Phil. And God bless all of you.
Woo! Great job, guys. Michael,